this video, let's talk about how to choose the wheel spacers for your aftermarket calipers.
When installing a larger brake caliper for a better braking effect, you may encounter the issue that the ring rubs against the brake caliper. The stock caliper is designed to fit the space to the wheel. If replaced with a bigger one, you need some action to refit it. Most people install wheel spacers to increase the distance between the brake caliper and the wheel. Larger brake calipers can provide more braking power and performance, as they can apply more forces and dissipate more heat. However, larger brake calipers also require more space and clearance to fit on the vehicle. This is where wheel spacers come in. Wheel spacers are devices that fit between the wheel and the hub of a vehicle, increasing the distance between the wheel and the hub assembly. They are often used to improve the appearance of a car, giving it a more aggressive stance and filling out the wheel arches. Choosing the right wheel spacers carefully consideration of several factors, including the wheel spacer size, the material of the wheel spacers, and the hub century of the wheel spacers. By taking these factors into consideration, you can choose the right wheel spacers and achieve the best effect. The first thing to consider is the size of the wheel spacers. The installation effect is determined by the size of the wheel spacers you choose, as distances are different for every vehicle, stock wheels and aftermarket wheels fitted. It is important to choose the right size for your car. We recommend you measure the distance between the fenders and tires. BONOSS offers a wide range of wheel spacer size, from 15mm to 50mm, and has customized service of unconventional thickness, 3mm to 160mm. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be completed in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. In addition, BONOSS also offers OEM ODM service. The second factor we need to consider is the material of the wheel spacers. Wheel spacers are usually made of aluminum alloy or steel. BONOSS wheel spacers are made of the highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear resistance characteristics. Even when facing impact, they are not easy to break. The continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and very suitable for long-term applications. The third factor is hub century. Hub century wheel spacers ensure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel for a smooth and reliable ride. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub century rings. The hub century middle ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contact the other part, you need tight tolerance. Based on traditional tire spacers, BONOSS wheel spacers come with more useful designs, such as FT cooling grooves, non-leak surface, disassembly notches, and so on. These FT cooling wheel spacers are designed to make brake cooling better. The heat dissipation grooves behind the spacers boost the cooling efficiency, reducing brake thermal decay, and improving road safety. If you are considering installing wheel spacers for aftermarket brake calipers, these factors can help you choose the most suitable one for your car.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.